Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you all are great, happy and safe right now during this lockdown. Uh, okay, so I'll be going to do a reading for the Zodiac Sun Aries. It's just an overview, monthly overview of Aries from the month of April, May and June. Okay, and this is just an overview how your month will be. Okay, so this is a timeless reading. Okay, and I hope that you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, one more important thing, if you want to support my channel, kindly help me with the donation link is given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one reading with me, the details of the reading to book and what's the procedure of it is also given in the description box below. So kindly book on the personal reading with the help of the description. Okay, so yes, let's check out what's there for Aries for the month of April, May and June. Okay, let's see what's universe, please tell me what's there for the month of April, May, June. Okay, so in the month of April, you are stuck up with something. You are sad and depressed about something. You are, you're stuck with your emotional things, emotional pain, emotional sadness. Okay, you your heart is filled with emotions. It might be related to career or it might be related to your relationship. Okay, it can either be one. Okay, okay, in the month of May. Okay, you are manifesting something. You're manifesting lot of happiness in your life because there was a lot of issues. There were a lot of conflicts which was in the past, conflict related to confusion, conflict, fights which was happening around you or it was in your mind. Okay, so there was a lot of things were going on. You'll be going through some sleep, so you are getting away. You are manifesting a lot of one second, a lot of happiness in your life. Okay, because in the month of May you might be going through some sleepless nights because there is nine of swords. That means sleepless nights and you are feeling lonely, you are stuck up with something, and there will be, I feel that you are releasing all the fights which was in your head or it was happening around you, and you're releasing those emotional pain. And that is why manifestation card is there, because you are manifesting both things, like manifesting to get out of this trapped energy, as well as and because of that you will be having sleepless nights in the month of May. Okay, what's in the June? Yeah, you are walking away from emotional heartbreak, emotional imbalance, emotional drama, deception, dishonest people. You are walking away from all these things in the month of June. And you'll be taking your own power. You will be in your own power. You will be moving away from all this false energies which you feel that it is not good for you. So yes, so let's see what's the ultimate outcome will be, like what's the universal message, overall message for all the 3 months. Okay, justice. Okay, so Aries, I feel that justice will be served to you. You will be getting out of this emotional drama, emotional unfulfillment, emotional pain of heartbreak and all, and and it will be a good thing, because this all things are happening because universe is helping you out to get out of a situation in a positive way. So I think this will be the best thing, because I feel that you have to go through all these things. That's why this justice card is coming. You have to move away from all these things, and that's why all these things are happening in your life, to get the ultimate justice, to get into your own power ultimately. That's why all these things are happening. Okay, so yes, but there is a spiritual awakening is taking place in the month of April. So guys, and that awakening will help you to release out all this bad energies, all the conflicts, deception, sadness, dishonesty, heartbreak, emotional imbalance. Everything will is happening right now because you are releasing it. This is right now is a releasing period which is going on for you guys, and in the upcoming months also all these things you will be releasing. Okay, so that's one of more important thing. Okay, and that's why justice card is there, because justice will be served to you no matter what, guys. Aries. Okay, so if you want to help me with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. Kindly support my channel, I'll be grateful to you. Also, one more thing, guys, if you want to book a one-on-one personal reading with me, kindly book on with the help of details given in the description box below down there, so you can check it out, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe, okay, to my channel. Thank you so much, guys.